Hello everyone, this is GameFrost, and today's new tutorial video we're going to be doing today is we're going to eliminate audio stuttering and crackling from Bluetooth headphones as well as Bluetooth dongles. So let's get started with this video. This video. Now, the first thing that you guys need to do is go on your search bar and type in control panel. You can access that by typing the search, and then what you need to do is click on devices and printers. Next, you'll be granted with this. So what you need to do now is click on your headset. So mine is the iJoy logo, and what you need to do is click properties. Then you must click services, and there's going to be an option called hands-free telephony. Now, the thing about this is that when you disable this, not only that you have crisper audio, you actually lose what they call your headset microphone capabilities. So you will actually lose your headset mic capability. So if you turn this off, your problem will probably be solved. Now, if the problem still persists, what you need to do is go straight into Device Manager. After when you go to Device Manager, what you need to do is go on Bluetooth. Now, there is actually a power setting for Bluetooth. And now, right now, I'm using Windows 20H2. That's my version. Now, if you're on Windows version 1903, I'm pretty sure there might be power options for this, like let's say generic Bluetooth radio. There should be a power option, but there isn't. So if you can't find out, what you need to do is click this, and you find your USB root hub of where the Bluetooth your Bluetooth dongle is, because sometimes your Bluetooth dongle is not really having enough power, which would send signals to your headset. So as you can see here, I have my generic Bluetooth radio right here, and what you need to do is go straight into power management and uncheck this box right here, because sometimes when a computer does this, it will actually lose signal. Now, if this works for you, you can please leave a like. If it doesn't, you can dislike. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, because I will help you out with these. I actually reply really fast. If you want to check out my Discord server, links is down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this short tutorial video, and I'll see you next time. Bye everybody, and have a great day.